Here's what you'll need to make a pepperoni pizza broccoli bake. You'll need 2 bags of steamable broccoli. These are smaller bags, 12 ounces. And again, if you're just making this for a couple of people, you can also just use 1 and scale everything else down. It is a very easy and simple recipe. You'll need a casserole dish. I'm going to go ahead and coat this in pan spray, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need a jar of pasta sauce. This is my favorite, tomato and basil, but whatever pasta sauce you like is totally fine. You'll need some pepperoni minis. I like the minis because they're easier to bite into. And then you'll need some cheese. We'll probably use about 1 cup to 1.25 cups of cheese. I'm using cheddar jack. You could also use cheddar or Mexican blend or pizza blend. So I'm going to go ahead now and steam up both bags of broccoli and put them in a bowl, and then I'll come back to show you how we assemble everything. The broccoli is steamed. You can kind of see it steaming here still. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta sauce. I'm going to start with half a jar here. I don't like too much pasta sauce. This, by the way, is a 24-ounce jar. And if I need more, I can add more. And whatever I don't use, I can use in another recipe. So I'm going to go ahead now and get this all tossed together. After mixing it, it didn't seem like that much, so I went ahead and added the entire jar of sauce. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this all tossed together. Then I'll add 1 cup of shredded cheese. I've added my cup of cheese, and now I'm going to sprinkle in some of this bag here. This is a 5-ounce bag. I want about 1/3 of this bag to stir in, and then the rest I'm going to save and use on the top. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this tossed together. Everything is thoroughly mixed together. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my 9x13 casserole dish that I have sprayed with pan spray. Then I'll go ahead and give it another topping of cheese and pepperoni. Here is my pizza broccoli bake transferred to the casserole dish. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a thin topping of cheese. Then we'll go ahead and top this with our pepperoni. This is a really nice low-carb side dish that's a little bit different than just your standard veggie side dish. With that delicious pizza flavor, this will make a really nice side dish for dinner tonight. I'm going to serve it up with chicken. Okay, I've got the cheese on. Now for some pepperoni. I'll start by sprinkling this around, but then I will go ahead and even it out over the top here. Got a funny piece here. We'll put that off to the side. And I'm going to actually arrange it so it looks like a pizza topping. I just think that that'll be really nice looking. If you like pepperoni pizza, this would be really good. If you don't like pepperoni pizza, I'm sure you could do other toppings. I think black olives would be really good, and so would sausage or hamburger. I also do an Italian, a low-carb Italian broccoli casserole, and that I do by mixing into this basically the same thing, hamburger, and I have that recipe posted as well. So a nice, quick, and easy little side dish here. Fun and low carb. I'm going to go ahead now and put this in my preheated 350-degree oven until everything is melted and bubbly. I'll let you know how long it takes when I come back to show you the finished product. My pepperoni pizza broccoli bake is out of the oven. It took about 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to get everything melted and heated through. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down just a minute longer, then I'll scoop up a serving and give it a try. Okay, so I have served up a small portion for myself here, and again, I will be serving this tonight for dinner with chicken and perhaps a side salad. So now I'll go ahead and give it a try. And this pepperoni pizza broccoli bake tastes really good. It definitely has that pizza taste. I love the combination of the cheese and pepperoni and pasta sauce with the broccoli. This would be a really good alternative if you are on a more low-carb diet and want a nice, savory, and pizza-like side dish to go with your dinner. So that is my recipe for pepperoni pizza broccoli bake. I hope you give it a try. It is really delicious. I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.